When you married your spouse, you said vows. You committed to honor your marriage and to be with your husband or your wife until death do us part. Therefore, that is your belief. You believe that marriage is important, that you should be with your spouse until the day that you die, and that's something that's important to you. Therefore, you value marriage. So your beliefs are the things that you hold to be true, the tenets that you hold to be true, so to say, but your values are the way that you actually live that out. So if you value your marriage, that means you're going to invest like you are now on becoming the best spouse that you can be, on having a better marriage. Invest on working on your marriage, and your actions will show that you're doing that. So not speaking bad about your spouse would be a behavior that you would have if you have a belief and value about marriage.